Introduction to No-Code API Testing.
Testing RESTful APIs doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, many modern tools let you test APIs without writing a single line of code. These approaches are perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a simple way to check if an API works as expected. Let's explore how you can test RESTful APIs using no-code solutions.
What is a RESTful API and why test it?
A RESTful API lets different software systems communicate using HTTP requests. It's widely used for apps and web services. Testing ensures that the API responds correctly to requests, returns accurate data, and handles errors. Regular testing can catch problems early and improve user experience.
No-code tools for API testing.
Several free and user-friendly tools allow you to test APIs visually. Postman, Insomnia, and Hoppscotch are popular choices. With these, you can enter an API endpoint, specify the type of request, like GET or POST, and view the response. No programming skills are required, making them accessible for everyone.
How to test an API with Postman.
Postman provides an intuitive interface for testing APIs. Simply download Postman, open it, and enter the URL of the API you want to test. Choose the request type, such as GET, and click Send. You'll see the response instantly, along with details like status codes and return data. No coding needed.
Benefits of no-code API testing.
No-code API testing saves time and lowers the barrier to entry. It enables both developers and non-developers to verify API functionality, experiment with endpoints, and share results easily. This accelerates feedback and helps teams collaborate effectively.
Getting started today.
Ready to try it yourself? Download a tool like Postman or try a web-based option such as Hoppscotch. Start testing public APIs or your own projects without any prior coding experience. With no-code tools, anyone can confidently ensure APIs are working as intended.